Hair loss is a common issue that affects people of all ages, genders, and backgrounds. It can be caused by various factors such as genetics, hormonal changes, medical conditions, or even stress. A hair transplant is a popular and effective solution to restore hair growth and improve self-confidence. In this, how it works, and how Elegance Skin and Cosmetic Clinic can help you achieve your desired results. What is a hair transplant? Hair transplant is a surgical procedure that involves the extraction of hair follicles from one area of the scalp and transplanting them to the bald or thinning areas. The two most common methods of hair transplant are follicular unit transplantation and follicular unit extraction. FUT involves removing a strip of scalp from the donor area and dissecting it into individual hair follicles for transplantation, while FUE involves removing individual hair follicles directly from the donor area and transplanting them to the recipient site. How does it work? Hair transplant works by taking advantage of the fact that hair follicles on the sides and back of the scalp are genetically resistant to balding. These follicles are transplanted to the bald or thinning areas, where they will continue to grow and produce hair. The transplanted hair will grow naturally and can be styled and treated just like your existing hair. Why choose Elegance Skin and Cosmetic Clinic? Elegance Skin and Cosmetic Clinic is a leading hair transplant clinic in India, known for its state-of-the-art facilities, advanced technology, and experienced team of hair transplant surgeons. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing personalized care and attention to each patient, ensuring that they achieve the best possible results. Our hair transplant procedures are minimally invasive, with no downtime, and our patients can expect natural-looking, permanent results. At Elegance Skin and Cosmetic Clinic, we use the latest techniques and technologies to ensure that our patients receive the most advanced and effective hair transplant treatments. We also offer a range of other cosmetic services such as skin rejuvenation, anti-aging treatments, and body contouring, making us a one-stop destination for all your cosmetic needs. Hair loss can be a challenging experience, but it doesn't have to be permanent. With a hair transplant, you can restore your hair growth and regain your self-confidence. Elegance Skin and Cosmetic Clinic is here to help you achieve your desired results. Our experienced team of hair transplant surgeons, state-of-the-art facilities, and advanced technology make us a top choice for hair transplant in India. Book a consultation with us today and take the first step towards a more confident you.